Strange noises in the sky. Vibration-y? Like a vibration? You almost feel it. There is one train in the background, I think, but that's been a very long, continuous train if it's a flippin' train, because I've been sitting on my porch now a very long time, probably an hour. This humming in the sky has not stopped. I've seen no other planes, and I live pretty close to an airport. I keep hearing a plane. The noises get louder. Sounds like a plane's gonna come right back. I seen one, but it did a U-turn, so that was bizarre. And there's just been these constant noises coming from the sky. It's just crazy. Whistles and hums and vibrations and beeps. Just there's a humming now. Right. What the hell? A very weird frequency, like pulse thing. I don't know what it is. Vibration, humming. I don't know. It's faint. Now, I don't know if you can hear it on the camera. You would probably have to enhance it, but it's there. It's listen. The hum is in there. I hope you can hear it. I doubt you can. Somebody enhance this darn video, please. There it is again, really loud. Well, it's loud to me. Louder anyway. But it's like pulsing, a hum. And of course it sounds like very distant, like a plane is coming non-stop still. No planes. No planes though. The hum is still there. Bizarre. I almost feel like I can't turn my camera off. I just want this plane to come back. I mean, it's odd. It's just been like in the neighborhood for like at least an hour. And when I got here, it was just so much louder than normal planes, and the light pattern was different, and I sound crazy, but it is what it is. There's the hum. Getting louder. Waiting for my ears to start bleeding. This is crazy to me. non-stop noises in the sky. I just... You can hear it. Oh, I just got a text. It fades. I give it that, but it doesn't really go away, and then it gets louder again. The only way you would be able to hear this is if somebody, like, for real enhances the video. I think, because I don't know how great my phone is. Got a Galaxy. No, it is My Touch. Sorry, My Touch. Oops. That's a bus. It's still going on. I can hear it in the background still. Non-stop. It's getting louder again. That's loud. I live in Cleveland, Ohio. Very close to Lakewood. It's October 23rd or 4th, 2012. Bizarre, just freaking bizarre. I've been recording now off and on for at least a little over an hour. This is just non-stop. One plane, no other planes. Goofy flight pattern, like I said. Made me nervous as hell, I can tell you that much. I swear it just sounds like that plane in distance just never left. I know, darn it, that you'll never be able to hear it on the video. That makes me so mad. Please enhance the video. Well, you know, the sound quality, please. There it is again. Humming. It's non-stop. Too weird. Alright, I had to crack my neck. It's all about non-stop. It's just amazing to me, I swear. It's just crazy. Isn't this some shit? Let me get a cigarette. I am just freaked out, for real. I'm not kidding. I think this is nuts. Oh yeah, I don't hear it now. Oh, that's a weird vibrational bump. Or something. I got a text. Gotta cut this off.